Only in Jamaica, people celebrate murderers. Call them hero. Yo, people can't fool so. The man does murder 2 innocent person. And you tell me say the man add to the crime rate, you know. I wanna call him the man hero, you know. So here I go on now. Who don't want crime rate to go down then? If the man murder 2 somebody a while ago, and then now una crowd him as hero, you don't want Jamaica for better, man. You could have never want Jamaica for better. No time at all. Because you see Silk pass to song feed. Praise the man. How the fuck if you praise a murderer? Oh, people for praise a murderer. I tell you, say, I hate you don't forget living them. But then tying up and burning in you. Yeah, man. Because that no make no sense, bro. Brown man kill the man because the man refused to sell him egg. The man hustle. Brown man got there within short money. And then brown man kill the man. And another thing, you see mental health a serious thing, you know. Because you see them people who are come from foreign, bro. I tell you now to watch out for them, you know. Because depression is not normal, you know, bro. The simplest thing, worse them live a certain foreign life, bro. You have to watch out for them. Because brown man come from foreigners at the party. They in a place, short money, and then go shoot up a man. Just because the man don't want. Man, you a foreign dirty lifestyle in the bro. A foreign lifestyle in the brother. Them think they not go on a yard, my youth. Them think they are foreign, them think they go on my youth. When it does cheap anytime for any little thing, bro. Some simple little thing. $200, bro. You murder a man for brother. And they know dumbass Jamaicans. I celebrate you and I praise you and I call you hero. The same police for protect we. When I click. Yo, brother, man, you tell you say no dog. I want to live somewhere different, you know. I can't live in Jamaica, you know, brother. Never go live somewhere different, dog. Because there's no way Jamaica can be a real place. The man murder innocent man with the pan in grind. We are hustle, in family. You don't know if the man have picnic. Who don't talk about the man with dead, you know. Who don't talk about brown man. Who don't praise a murderer. And I give the man a crown like a something good in do. Oh, that makes sense. Brother, Jamaica will never better. Never, ever better. Because of stupid people. A beer done said I praise him, bro. Anybody will praise brown man, I done said. And they don't want nothing good for Jamaica, brother. I could have never want nothing good for Jamaica. The man murder an innocent man for the grind. You don't know if the man have picnic for go feed and yard. You have to go back home too. I don't know, celebrate bro, man, I call him an hero. Which part? Which part I hear that? A murderer that. But I'm sorry, the youth are for dead. I'm sorry, the youth are for dead. I hear my youth, that's what I'm telling you, say, you know. The politician them, they always just take their money, take on the money and name it, or live somewhere different and just left one another blood clot for you. Because you are going on. No matter what they do, Jamaica will never better because they have some dirty minded people, bro. Some fuck up minded people, bro. So Jamaica can never better, no time, bro. No matter which prime minister in power. PMP or JLP, the people them is the same, bro. Them mind fucked up, brother. I mean, never see nothing like this or so you. How the hell you know if you praise a murderer, dog? That's all you big idiot silk boss. So you get like even turn in a fucking idiot, you know. And turn in a clown in a youth. And you celebrate a situation like that, a man just losing life. It shows the mankind and a heart for people, bro. Mankind can never have a heart for people, bro, and you celebrate something like that. The post that you did in another situation there. You don't want nobody to sing about you? Call you, yo. I tell you it, my peeps. You get through podcast, and I'm your host, Pillow Talk.
Yeah, man. Buckler. Daddy.
Boy, I tell you for them life done to them.
Yeah, man, your life done to them, man.
You get fucking.
Get it?
Man, they dead in that.
People shoot out.
I kill them now.
Sick, look.
The bumbleclad murder them.
Bumbleclad!
straight, man. That blood clot.
Straight shot from buckler.
Yo! Good.
Hey, you don't see what I shot them on the wall.
Ah, you don't see on the wall. On the wall, you know, them are fire.
Light up the scream, light up the scream, light up the scream.